I've been hearing this super weird sound. I don't know if you can hear this. I was laying on the couch over here and I heard sorry, a bizarre sound. I think I've heard this a couple days ago too. And I don't know what it's coming from. You hear it? It stopped. It stopped like right when I raised this, it automatically stopped. I'm kind of afraid I might accidentally knock this down because this has been here for several years straight. Because we've been living in this house since 2009, and I'm trying to, I'm not trying to. Yeah, this is like attached to the wall, and I don't want to accidentally knock it over. My parents will be really pissed off if that happened. Okay. It sounds like it's coming from around here, like right behind this painting. Okay. I don't see anything behind here. I don't see anything. I'm really scared I'm gonna accidentally knock this over. Whoa. Okay, it stopped. Please tell me in the comments if you heard it, because there was this weird sound coming from around here. At least that's what it sounded like, and when I started looking, tried to look behind here, the sound instantly stopped. That's really weird. Okay. That is super bizarre. Because I've been hearing, I think I've heard that sound a couple days ago too. But I don't know what that sound was coming from. Okay. Whoa. I don't want to accidentally knock this over. This has been here for several years. I don't even know how it's even attached to the wall. Okay. Let me. God, okay. I'm trying to raise this up. And this is a really old painting, as you can see. Okay, I think it's something like my parents got from a store or something. Okay. I'm not exactly sure where it came from. Okay, I'm really terrified I'm gonna knock this thing over. Okay. My hand's itching like crazy. Okay, I don't know what that sound was coming from. I was hearing like this super bizarre sound behind this thing. And wait. Oh, that's how. It's like a string or something that's connected to something else that's literally attached to the wall. But that doesn't explain why I'm hearing that sound. Okay, jeez. Ow, my feet are starting to hurt because I'm standing directly on the couch. Okay, I kept hearing a sound coming directly behind that. I don't know what the hell that was. Let me, okay, so I'm gonna get up. Kind of look behind you. Okay. Oh God. Wait. Do you hear that? I heard like this really bizarre sound. I wonder if it could be coming from here. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I almost fell off the couch. Okay. Shoot. Okay. I think I might see something, but I can't really tell what that is. I think it might just be hair or dust or something. Well, I don't know why hair would be behind this. It's probably dust. Okay. I don't know what the hell that sound was coming from. Okay. Okay, I swore I saw this figure passing by right next to my dog. Okay, I don't know if that was my imagine. I think I might be a bit paranoid. Okay, let me. This house really freaks me out, which is weird because this house was like brand new when we moved here, and before these houses were built, this area, which is now the neighborhood we live in, was originally just land. Um, oh, gee. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video now. I'm getting kind of freaked out. Okay, thank you guys for watching.